Thank you for giving me a chance to say something. Mr. Speaker, what is going on in this country is alarming. Mr. Speaker, just first to buttress what my colleague has said about Batuk. Not only did that, I don't want to call him a leader, but that person or that impeached leader, did he only say that that contract was cancelled? He said there was a demand of 3 billion shillings by people in government for Batuk to be allowed to do their work in Nyanyuki or in Kenya. And Mr. Speaker, a day later, the whole thing was restored back. Mr. Speaker, what is happening in this country is really, really alarming. There is gross violation of the Constitution. This one man who has violated the Constitution when he was in office, and he continues violating the Constitution when he's out of office, Mr. Speaker. I don't know whether our institutions have stopped working. The NCIC, the DCI, the police, Mr. Speaker, because what that impeached leader is doing in this country is to destroy the fabric of this country so that Kenyans can turn against each other. Mr. Speaker, I'm sorry I came late to the House, but with your permission, Mr. Speaker, I'm one of the people, or one of the leaders in this House, Mr. Speaker, who have been elected from a constituency that his community does not stay, or is not the majority, Mr. Speaker. And I've represented them for over 3 terms. And I was even a mayor there, Mr. Speaker, where you visited me many times when you were mentoring me in leadership. Yes. Mr. Speaker, those people did not look at my tribe, did not look at my religion, did not look at my color, they did not look at my face or how my nose looks like. They looked at my capacity to serve them. Mr. Speaker, that community who stay in that area, the Luo community. Mr. Speaker, what is happening in this country? Now, the impeached leader goes to Meru and says, have you missed somebody from here that you can elect an Indian? He goes to Kisii. He says, have you missed someone, then you are electing another Indian here or Chotara? Mr. Speaker, when have we gone that low in this country, Mr. Speaker? When have we, himself, he's claiming that, or he's pleading that his impeachment should be withdrawn by the courts so that he can run for a higher office. He claims that he wants to become a president or a deputy. Who will elect him? If he doesn't want an Indian to be elected in Meru, why should we elect him as our leader? A rogue person like him, Mr. Speaker? A mental case. This is a man with is a psychopath, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to urge, and I'm speaking with a lot of humility, that, Mr. Speaker, if our institutions that are mandated to uphold and defend the Constitution do not take any action against this rogue leader, Mr. Speaker, don't be shocked if Kenya starts, having problems with each other, Mr. Speaker. Look at, Mr. Speaker, what's happening in other parts. The other day, there's a fugitive group that ran away from ODM. They wanted to go and campaign for some candidate in that by-election in Olkalau, Mr. Speaker. He told them, no, you cannot go there. I'm not going to allow you to go to Olkalau. Is Olkalau not Kenya? Is Olkalau not part of this country? Are Kenyans not allowed to go to anywhere, Mr. Speaker? So, Mr. Speaker, this is the house that addresses matters of concern to the people. And that is why we are here. That's why we earn salary. And that is our work, to defend and uphold the Constitution. Mr. Speaker, if the institutions of the country do not want to take any action against that guy, then the committee of this house must summon him. Because the House also have powers to summon anybody in this country, Mr. Speaker, especially people who have violated people who want to destroy the country, Mr. Speaker. So there are committees that I am going to file a motion if I am going to give time to the institutions to do their work. If they don't do, I will file a motion in the House to summon this guy before this House and tell Kenyans why he wants to destroy their country. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
We'll stop there.